Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Before we start, if you want to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, it needs to be paired with a phone via the COROS application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the system settings. And to do that, press and hold the lower button to open the Toolbox menu, scroll through it and look for the system option, then tap on it. And once you're in the system settings, find the option called Wi-Fi, of course, and tap on it. It will start searching for the nearby networks. And here we have it. We have a list of networks we can connect to. Find the network you like to connect to and then tap on it. And as you can see, we need to open the COROS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And you should see the pop-up to enter the password for the network. And once you enter the password, you need to tap on connect in the top right corner. And once you tap on connect, it will start connecting. And if the password was correct, it will connect to it. And now under the network, you will see the connected message or message, which means that the watch is connected to that network. And then we can press the back button to go back to watch face, and it's already downloading something after we connect it to the network. Okay, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.